Hey guys, so I'm at work right now. We're really close. I'm in a fitting room, just like looking at my outfit, looking at myself, making sure I'm presentable for the customers. But I just want to come in here and tell you, like, if your outfit is basic and people say that it's basic, you own the basicness of your outfit. Because, like, look, wait, so my outfit is super basic today, right? Like, plain black shirt, plain skirt, like, basic tennis shoes. Hello, like it's cute though. Like it's cute. But I just want to come on here and say, like, just because it's basic doesn't mean it's bad. Like, basic is cute. You don't have to be extravagant every single day. This is super cute. It's giving tennis girl, and I love it. Okay, so wear whatever you want because at the end of the day, I lost my train of thought. But anyways, wear whatever you want, sweet cheeks. Bye.